Alright, so for letter B on day 6 notes, cylinders, we need to find our slant height in this case, and we need that for surface area. So to figure out our slant height, let's go ahead and use Pythagorean theorem. We're given our two legs, and we need to find our hypotenuse. So we have 5 squared plus 9 squared equals our slant height squared. We've got 25, 81, and then that would be 106. If we square root both sides, we notice this is not a perfect square. So I'm going to go ahead and just calculate it using the square root button on the calculator and not simplifying the radical. So I would get 10.29, but we're going to stick with rounding to the nearest tenth. So I'm going to say 10.3. Now, once we have our slant height, we can go ahead and plug it into our lateral area and get this part of the cone. So we've got pi, radius is 5, slant height is 10.3. I multiply the 5 and the 10.3, and we get 51.5 pi. For the surface area, we need to go ahead and figure out the area of the circle, and then add that to the rest of the cone. So pi, 5 squared, and then we know that this part is this 51.5 pi. So 25 pi plus 51.5 pi would give me a total surface area of 76.5 pi inches squared. Then over in volume, we were given our radius and our height, so we've got 1/3 pi. Radius is 5, and the height was 9. So again, I would calculate this part of my equation first, and then divide by 3. So 25, and then that would multiply to be 225. We divide that by 1/3, or by 3, and we get 75 pi inches cubed. I would say when you are working with cones, please make sure you label to see what you are given and what you need to find. So up here, you know, we had to find the height. Down here, we had to find the lateral area. You need to make sure you between the height and the slant height. Thank you.